item number 0999.
Fontana, Roger. Connected to cancel the outside unit and put in my staff.
56, I was also responding to your incident 2564. Cancel incident 2470, 15X66 for handle.
Roger. Hollywood, you can cancel this off. Alright, let's go to incident 2567 at 882. Any new uniform timed out. ADW suspect left 42nd and Grand Code 2, incident 2479, RD 1351. Battery, timed out battery suspect. 57th and Broadway Code 2, incident 2481, RD 1371, unit to handle identified.
Alright, can you cancel the supervisor off incident 2680? Suspect in DUI.
13L30, cancel incident 2280, your response to 1129 East 52nd Street, suspect DUI.
Next Valencia, Miss Hospital ADW, suspect are now 702.5 West 49th Street, 702.5 West 49th Street, apartment 6. No suspect description, monitor for additional. Code 3, incident 2572, RD 1208.
81, your PR is requesting you meet at his location 15617 Odyssey Drive. Call him when you get there, he'll let you in.
$13.75. Verify your code 6 on incident 2280. I have you code 6 on incident 2236.
075. We just cleared from 2280. I just forgot to cancel supervisor. We're now code 6 on the 2236.
1375. Roger.
On Gladstone Avenue. Suspects a transient female white wearing a blue t-shirt. Code 2725574 RD 1907.
L2, your RO standing next to recovery vehicle at 5633 Carpenter Avenue is now possible GTA suspect. PR call back, suspect male, Armenian, bald, wearing a white shirt, dark green pants. Currently speaking with the tow company, make arrangements for vehicle to be towed. Vehicle is parked inside driveway. Now code 2, incident 2168, RD 1533.
Speaker, respond to my location.
Avenue.
Zone Spanish speaking unit, need 25.
12831, 12030.
Zone Spanish speaking unit, me 25 TL27, Austin and Bernhurst.
$3 bail. No NTIC hit. Will you want to return on your street? 1448, Roger, thank you. The description or last known location of suspect.
39, stand by.
You from that call on the cleaner. You can show me around.
0901 Ranchito Avenue, incident 2545. Code 4, suspect in custody.
Southwest Unit ADW in progress, field in Jefferson, standby for additional code 3 incident